Welcome to Ancestor Science. In this video we are going to see about cosmic melodies called spiritual energy, which is the immeasurable energy that sustains the unlimited universes with its strength. Why is it called spiritual energy? It is called spiritual energy because this energy emanates directly from the source. The Puranas refer to Krishna as the source with wisdom. This spiritual energy is also called marginal energy. In short, the marginal energy represents the vibration of the cosmic melody. Srimad Bhagavata Purana, Lakshmi Tantra and Sangya Yoga mention that the Lord, the original part of the universe, uses music as a tool to create the finer things of the universe and sustain the multiverse. Why are cosmic mellows called marginal energy? It is called marginal energy because it combines two mellows to create a new vibration. This energy is also called Maya. Maya does not mean falsehood or illusion. Maya means confusion or state of incomprehension. Because the fundamental particles are chaotic. That's why it is called Maya. Based on this, there is a proverb in Tamil. People used to say, "Enna mayamo mantharamo," if a thing that is not understood well. This is Srimad Bhagavatam Adhyayam 21. Verse 33. What it says is that Lord Krishna fulfills his desires by his spiritual energy known as Swarajya Lakshmi. Lakshmi is the wife of Lord Narayana. The form of Swarajya Lakshmi can be seen through the book Lakshmi Tantra. This is Sri Lakshmi Tantra, Adhyayam 18. Verse 17. It states that Brahman has wisdom and is united with sound, hence it is called Sapta Brahman. In Tamil, Saptam means sound. Our ancestors worshipped this Brahman as Lord Narayanan. This power of knowledge is covered by goddess Lakshmi called Maya or illusion, so that's why goddess Lakshmi is worshipped as Maha Maya. Before looking at other verses of Lakshmi Tantra, let's have a look at who is Purudan with the evidence. This is Sangya Yoga hymn 28. Purana mentions that 5 types of sounds first emerged from this spiral-shaped source. Wisdom is said to be the source of these sounds. This wisdom is worshipped as Brahman or Purudan by ancients. Sangya Yogam calls this Purudan as Lord Narayana. This is Sangya Yoga hymn 19. Here the nature of the Lord Purudan or Narayanan is given, that it is, non-moving thing, a mediator who sees what is happening in special non-material object. It is important to note that it is non-material object. This non-material object is called Brahman. Advaita Vedam says, this Brahman is known through the sound of Om. That's why the word Om is called the medium of everything, and this is the reason why it is called Pranava Mantra. Pranava Mantra means life breath to all. So far we have seen that wisdom comes from the source, and that wisdom is known through the sound of Om. But Srimad Bhagavatam says that this wisdom energy is closed by Maya. Let's back to book Lakshmi Tantra to see what Maya is. This is verse 22 and 23. It is said that there is sound as wisdom Om, and from it the energy called Shakti first emerged. The sound of this Shakti is Sa. So from Om, Sa sound first emerged. That's why there is a saying Om Santi Santi. This is verse 24, 25, 26, 27. Here the translation is wrong. According to this Sanskrit verse, from the Shakti or sound Sa, came the sound Dwi, which is worshipped as Natham or goddess Parashakti. Parashakti is God Shiva's wife. From this Natham the sound called through is produced, which is called Bindu. This Bindu mellow also called as goddess Pachchayanthi. In Tamil, Pachchai means green color. Thirumantiram says Bindu mellow is green in color. So that it gets the name Pachchayanthi. Then from Pachchayanthi Ahankaram is born. Ahankaram means ego. But this meaning is wrong. In Tamil grammar, the word karam is a general term used to refer to sound. So Ahankaram indicates Tamil letters Akaram and Kakaram. That means vowels and consonants of Tamil words. This is Sri Devi Bhagavatam. It also gives the same information as Lakshmi Tantra. Here you can see the word Akaram and Kakaram. This Ahankaram is worshipped as goddess Mathyama. Then from sound Mathyama colors are born with so many new vibrations. Using this Veda's principles, universe's fundamental particles are produced. Lord Brahma. Brahma is different and Brahman is different. These sounds are called mantras according to Puranas or Maya except Om. Lakshmi Tantra verse 18. In this verse, it is said that goddess Lakshmi is the source of all mantras and the mother of all sounds. Verse 21. What is said in this is that, before any object in the world can be perceived, the sound that represents it first emerges. Verse 20. Goddess Lakshmi gets the urge to create everything. Then the difference between sound and its meaning emerges. In the beginning the sound and its meaning are one, then there is a state of not knowing what is the meaning of the sound is. When both are alone, it is possible to perceive what sound means what. From these verses of Lakshmi Tantra, it is clear that Swarajya Lakshmi means sound. It is understood that Krishna's marginal potency or spiritual energy is sound. Using these sounds, Lord Krishna creates basic particles of the universe and sustains the innumerable universes created by it with the strength of its vibration. To prove this, Sanya Yoga Hymn 4 gives wonderful information. As per the saying, a thorn must be picked with a thorn, they measured the sound vibrations in nature using a method called recitation. And this is verse 6 and 7, it says that things that cannot be measured by prediction or theoretical method can be known through agamam. Agamam means chanting of mantras. Verse 7 says that it is used as a chanting method to detect the smallest object that cannot be seen by the naked eye and to measure objects that are far beyond our imagination. What do you think about the string theory of our ancestors?